Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be taking you along thrifting with me so we can check out the Habitat for Humanity restore together. They have so much stuff and I'm pretty sure they only accept high quality pieces, so you're gonna find really good furniture at an extremely low price. So anyways, I can't wait to get inside and see what we can find today. If you enjoy watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss those upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and head to the store. This thrift store is very well organized. There's full sections of tables and chairs, sofas, cabinets, everything is kind of categorized, so it's really easy to go through and find exactly what you're looking for. There's also this price guide out in the open showing you what all the different colors on the tags mean, so they pretty much mean even more discounts. So the first thing that caught my eye in here was this large vase. This is super on trend and it would be worth like $200 anywhere else, and they have it up here for $60. I love it. You'll see a lot of these vases around thrift stores, and if you don't like the color like this one, you can definitely just paint them. When I'm thrifting, I'm mostly looking for shapes that I like. Color can always change, but the shape is what's gonna stay. I love the shape of these two lamps. It's very in style, very vintage looking, and again, can be painted a different color to match with your decor. This cute little bar stool is only $8. I can see it being painted black. Oh, I just love it. I wish there was two of them at least, but I can only find the one. There are a ton of huge cabinets in here, which are all a very honey or red wood color, but they are only $100 and they're marked down with the pink tag. These can be painted and refinished super easily. Big vintage pieces like that are very in style, so something you should definitely keep your eye on if you're looking to add some height to your space. I'm also checking out all of the dining room sets. This little set is $150 for both the table and chairs. How amazing is that? I'm not always a huge fan of coat racks, but this vintage one is so cute and unique. I think it could actually be a really cool statement piece, and it's only $25. Now, when you're looking at soft furniture like sofas and chairs, remember that everything can be reupholstered. If you love the shape of them, it might be worth it. This sofa is $150 with the 20% off. I love the solid cushion across the bottom. That's actually very modern. It's in good condition, but I could imagine it being maybe a solid velvet, even like these chairs here. That sofa and these two chairs would actually look really great together, and these are only $50 each, minus the 20% again. These are beautiful accent chairs that would look amazing in a more traditional home or even a modern home with a vintage twist. Accent pieces like that are the perfect thing to pick up at the thrift store. Now, the wood dresser section is probably one of my favorite areas of the store. I love that the pieces are so big, they have a lot of detail, but I can always imagine painting them a different color. Chalk paint can go a long way when it comes to these dressers, and this long oak dresser is only $75. It's huge, so that is such a good deal. If you're looking for large statement pieces for your home or practical storage, this is definitely the place to be. I love these little handles on this dresser. I think this would actually be so cute in a kid's room. This dresser is $75 again with the blue markdown tag on it, so such a good deal for a solid wood dresser. There are so many good headboards here. Wow. I found these two twin headboards, super cute design. The arch is totally in style and they're only $20 each. How incredible is that? I think that would look so cute in like a shared bedroom. Oh, I love them. I also found these two solid wood twin beds, full beds, not just the headboards. The spindle design, very in style. And again, you could paint this if you want, but I think the color's amazing, and they're only $75 for the entire bed. If you've been following along on my Instagram stories, you've already got a sneak peek of this piece. This has to be the find of the day. This is $150 and the detail is just beautiful. This mantle is massive. It's almost as tall as me. It's super wide, and I can just picture maybe painting this, putting it on a wall, and creating a faux mantle opportunity. I don't even have a fireplace for this, but I just want it on my wall to really add some detail. Oh, my mind is going wild. Let me know down below what you guys think of this mantle. I love when there's bookshelves at the thrift store. These are super affordable. This one is $45, super tall, and they can easily be painted and turned into built-in units, adding trim and molding. You could create a brand new look out of those. Lighting is always super fun to thrift. You can, again, paint the light fixture, change different things about it, and create a brand new look. I love this chandelier. I would take off the lampshades and just put a nice bulb in there and leave it as kind of like a modern farmhouse chandelier. So sometimes looking at these pieces, you kind of have to reimagine them, take parts off, and you can create a brand new look. I also want to point out that these lampshades are back in style. So these Habitat for Humanity restores are more of a discount home improvement store. So they do sell doors and windows, all secondhand of course, but you can get them at a really good price. You can also find more unique styles that you might not find elsewhere. Here are a bunch of interior doors for $25 each. Such a good deal. If you're doing a renovation and you need to cut costs somewhere, consider getting secondhand doors. You can repaint them, add new hardware, and you would never know the difference. Okay, so you see what I mean? There is so much stuff in there. It's endless. I want all of the French doors. I need that mantle. I don't know what to do because I don't think I can get it in the car. I'm gonna head to another Habitat for Humanity in a different area to see what they have because every store is completely different. Let's head to the second location and see what we can find. Wow, I have never been to this location and it is absolutely filled with furniture as well. I just spotted this lower cabinet piece which would be perfect for a little bathroom vanity, and it's only $150. So again, if you're doing renovations, check out the Habitat for Humanity stores because you can get a lot of pieces that you'll probably need for less. I'm sure you know caning is totally back in style now, and you can always find it when you're thrifting. This chair is $5. It definitely needs some work. I would probably paint all of the wood black, leave the caning, and maybe change out the seat cushion so that it's like a black velvet. That would look so beautiful. Wow, this is like a brand new light fixture. It's so beautiful. I wouldn't change one thing about this. Sometimes you get lucky when you're thrifting. You can find brand new in the box pieces, or you can find secondhand pieces. I just found this little table and bench set, and it's only $70. Like, this is just so fun finding great pieces at such a good price. It really just shows you that you don't need to go out and buy brand new expensive pieces. I would check out the thrift store before you go anywhere because it will help you cut costs. Check out the prices on these beds. This twin bed is $10. Can you believe that? And this full-size headboard, velvet, beautiful, totally in style, is only $20. That's just totally unheard of. I can't even get over it. I know an IKEA piece when I see one. This is the Besta unit, and it's in perfect condition, has little push to open doors, and this is the perfect little piece to use as a sideboard or a console table, a buffet, a media unit. It's just the perfect piece, and they have it priced for $60 here. So as I mentioned, this is more of a discount home improvement store, so they have boxes of tile. This is brand new in the box tile for $5. That's $5 for the entire box. So this is pretty cool. If you are doing, again, renovations or a DIY project, thrift different materials like this. It will cut so much in your costs. This whole box of white square tiles is $5. So cool. Every time I leave the thrift store, I think, why would you buy new furniture when there's so much good stuff at the thrift store at a crazy low price? Aren't the prices just like incredible? That on its own should make you want to go thrifting. I love going in there and just imagining what these pieces can be. It's super inspiring and really fun going in there, and I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me. I hope this inspired you to go out to your thrift store, shop secondhand, and save your money. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!